अकीरा शूट करते टाइम कोई इंजरी वगैरह हुई थी आपको बिकॉज फुल ऑन हाई फ्रंट स्टाइल देखा है।
जी हाँ, काफ़ी इंजरीज हुई थी। इनफैक्ट 3 इंजरीज हुई थी मुझे जो मेजर थी। एक बार मेरे रिस्ट में मेरा नर्व काइंड ऑफ twisted or bent or whatever, तो मैं अपना हाथ सीधा नहीं कर सकती थी. Then I hurt my knee while doing one of the kicks in the cable action sequences. And एक बार मेरा I hurt my back also. So yeah, it's very strenuous and very grueling. So yeah, I did go through a few injuries, but I'm back with a bang.
Did you regret any of the pain?
Did I?
Yeah, did you regret any of the pain?
It's all worth it.
It's all worth it. And यहाँ पे आप हमेशा बोलते हो कि आपका एक अलग स्टाइल है जब भी आप डांस करती हो तो ये फिल्म में अकीरा का कोई डांस स्टाइल है जो हमें देखने मिलेगा कोई गाने वाले?
अकीरा का फाइटिंग स्टाइल है,
गाने वाले नहीं है इस फिल्म में?
डांस नहीं है for sure.
Okay. And
Sonakshi, how was it working with Anurag Kashyap because he is also acting?
Where are you?
Oh yeah, Vedita from Player News.
Hi. Hi.
How was it working with Anurag Kashyap ji because he also acted in the movie?
Fantastic. I think आप अगर देखोगे अनुराग कश्यप को इस रोल में चौंक जाओगे. I think he's done such a fantastic job. He's truly fit the character like a hand fits a glove, and I feel he's so menacing in the film. He's perfect for this role, and he's a really good actor. In fact, I told him you should just stick to acting now.
Hi Sonakshi.
Hi. How are you?
Very well, thanks. Sonakshi, now you are the main protagonist in the film. The film is you're carrying the film on your own shoulders. So, is there a lot of anxiety and what's the feeling like? This is your film.
It feels more than great. It feels amazing. It feels that I was waiting for this moment and I was born to do this.
Do you romance in the film at all?
Why don't you just watch the film to find out? Yeah. मतलब सब चाहिए. अब एक्शन देखा वो रोमांस भी चाहिए.
Sonakshi here. Sonakshi coming with Akira after almost 1.5 years after Tevar. Does the long gap really affect you as an actress between the two films?
No, actually, because I've been super busy in that gap. I've been shooting for my films like Akira. I've been doing Force 2 as well. I'm starting Noor tomorrow actually, so I'm very excited for that. So I've been super busy. I've just been doing my work, and honestly, for me, it's all about that. I just concentrate on my work. I wear my blinders, do my work, do it well, and when it has to release, it releases.
Okay, so actually your character in Akira looks like a very fearless girl who will stand up for what is right. Putting that in context with today's time, do you think it's very difficult for celebrities to take a stand on anything because it will end up being controversial?
Well, obviously there are a lot of instances where things are blown out of proportion and people are targeted and people are, kind of picked on for no reason. But I will tell you personally, I always stand up for what I feel is right. And I think every girl in today's day and age, taking a cue from, I think when you see this film, there will be a lot of instances in the film that a lot of girls today are put through, and how basically you should be able to handle it yourself. So I hope, wish and pray that when people see this film, they understand, girls especially understand that institutions like yours, like schools, other colleges and schools, incorporate self-defense, martial arts as a subject for girls from a very young age, because I feel it's very important in today's day and age.
Yeah. We see many Bollywood actresses like Deepika Padukone and Priyanka Chopra doing Hollywood films. So will we see you in Hollywood films?
Right now I have no intention as such, but if I get a really good role, I feel they've gotten some really good characters and roles to play in Hollywood. So if something like that comes my way, I will think about it, but right now I don't really intend to as such.
There have been, for years, we've seen women-centric films where the female characters are the main protagonists of the film. But we haven't seen too many of action heroines. You're doing 2 back-to-back action films. Do you think this will open up more avenues where filmmakers and writers will write films for women with action-oriented
I sure hope so. I really hope so, because I'm very happy to be a part of a film which is kind of a pathbreaker in its own way. It's the first kind of action woman doing action kind of film. So I'm really happy to be a part of it. And yes, of course, filmmakers should consider pitching more such roles to women. Even Force 2 that I'm doing is, got a fantastic role, and there's a lot of great action in that for me as well. So, yeah, I guess the path should open up.
How different will be the action from Force 2 then?
Very different, very different. This is very raw, hand-to-hand combat, very rustic action, very raw action. That is a bit more style, more chase, sequence, technological, all of that. So it's very different, don't worry.
Hi Sonakshi over here. Like you said, you are doing martial arts and all in this film. You have worked with Murtuza sir in Holiday with Akshay, and even Akshay is known for martial arts. So did you take any tips from him in the?
Well, yes, the biggest tip that he gave me was injury se bach ke rehna, which even that I wasn't able to follow. But yeah, I think he's a very sensible person when it comes to like understanding proper form and about martial arts and stuff. So he's actually like even watching him while I was shooting with him, all the movies that I've done with him, watching him do the action, you get to learn a lot. And he's always very, very involved with it. So he automatically teaches you without even like kind of it being intentional. So.
And reports that he has a camera in this film. Any truth to that?
No. Yeah, thank you all so much.
Okay, I think after the questions, all our students that are here, Sonakshi, do you think we should give them something?
Of course we should.
Okay, so we have some gifts for you, but now all of you have to do something. You have to try and catch it. Yeah? So we have some t-shirts going out to you.
Don't do this, don't do this.
Let's do the photo opportunity for the print media, and the students are already ready now.
कैमरे को नुकसान हुआ ना तेरे घर पे आएंगे झाला काय कौन सा वाला राइड में
Okay, I'm sure the students want these t-shirts, yeah, but we're going to make it easier.
Yeah, because I hope I don't hit the cameras.
करेक्ट
We have eligible
Okay, all the students, put your hands up. The media is also media. Whatever students. Okay, I'm gonna start. Just pakda.
कैमरा डाला
Okay, we have some more t-shirts, so what we'll do is we'll leave them here in the college for you. Few lucky winners can collect it. I think the college, we want something from you. We want a selfie with you. Is that okay? Yes? So I think this is going to be a very special selfie because we have Sonakshi Sinha taking it herself. So everybody who's back at the back, maybe if you want to stand up and just, yes, please stand up, say hi. You want to give a combat pose, give a combat pose. Let's make this more special. Everybody who's also here, maybe all you, everybody who's in the media, maybe a piece, everything, you just put up your hand maybe. Are you guys ready? media, thank you for joining us here. And also let me tell you, mark your dates on your calendar, 2nd September it is, when Akira hits screens all across. This is your MC for the afternoon, Himanshi signing off.